Let's take a look at what we have under the event category section. Now under event category, I've got the following options like administrative, then there's service health, security, alert, recommendation, policy, auto scale, and resource health. Let's take a look at each one of them one by one. Administrative. This category contains the record of all create, update, delete, and action operations performed through the resource manager. Example of these types of events you would observe in this category, which will include creating a virtual machine or deleting a network security group. The administrative category also includes any changes to role-based access control in a subscription. The next event category is security. This category contains the record of any alerts generated by the Azure Security Center. An example of this type of event would be when you observe a category like suspicious double extension file executed, or malware detected, or probably hard disk not encrypted. The next category is service health. This category contains the record of any service health incidents that have occurred in Azure. An example would be if the SQL Azure in East US is experiencing downtime. Service health events come in 5 varieties: action required, assisted recovery, incident, maintenance, information, or security. The next kind of category is alert. This category contains the record of all activations of Azure alerts. An example of this type of event would be if you observe CPU on your VM which has been over 80% for past 5 minutes. These are the kind of alerts you will see. The next category is recommendation. You would see recommendations on your resources like Azure websites and SQL. These events offer recommendations for how to better utilize your resources. The next one, policy and resource health combined. These are reserved for future use. These categories do not contain any events. The last one is auto scale, and this category contains the record of any events related to the operation of auto scale engine based on the auto scale settings you might have defined in your subscription. So if scale up has happened or scale down has happened, then you will see such actions here. An example of this type of event would be if you observe this category in auto scale up action failed. So if auto scaling up or down has failed or has succeeded, you will see such option in this category. Let's take a look at Azure alerts in the next video.